Hi, this is Dr. K. Chiranjeevi. So now I would like to explain the Department of Personnel Management. So that if you take any organization, so that it is a combination of various departments like production department, finance, marketing, HR, like that. So that I would like to explain about the personnel department. So in the personnel department is look after the all these sub functions like recruitment and selection, human resource development, industrial relations, welfare, safety, wage and salary administration, security department, and public relations. So in any organization, basically the personnel department is follow up the sub functions. So now I would like to explain recruitment. What is recruitment? Recruitment is nothing but an to encouraging the candidates to apply for the job. So every organization is looking for to recruit the people on the basis of suitable man for suitable job. Come to the selection, there is a little bit differences are there in between recruitment and selection. Recruitment is encouraging the candidates, but whereas in selection, so that you have to select the people according to our requirement. So that selection is it basically depends upon the selection process. So that each and every level we have to check the qualities and qualification of the employees so that whether they are matched to our organizations or not. So come to the HRD department. So HRD department is looking for to match the current trends. So already organization has its own standard of performance and also it has its own vision. So according to that, the employees who are working in the organization, they want to bring some change in the existing people to match the current and future trends. So that is the main motto, the department of HRD. Come to the industrial relations. Industrial relations is one of the sub function of the personnel department. It is looking for to maintain good relation among the employees, in between the management and employees, among the employees, and in between the management, so that they are almost concentration to avoid disturbances in the organization, to secure the better relation among the employees, so that there may be concentration on the main work. So that is the main intention of industrial relations. And then come to the next sub function is welfare. Welfare is focuses on to provide certain welfare facilities to the employees who are working in their organization. Already according to the Factories Act 1948, so there are some sections are there in which that sections are according to the Factories Act section 42 to 50 sections are there. So it is in statutory obligations and non-statutory obligations are also there in welfare. So most probably the welfare department is most focuses on canteen, and then first aid facilities, and then other facilities like washing facilities and all. And also they are also giving priority to the housing facilities, transportation facilities, some other facilities are also looked after by the welfare department. So next come to the safety. Safety first, duty next. So that every organization is giving more priority to the giving safety to their employees, protection from accidents, some other unexpected events. So safety inspector is also appointed where 1,000 or more workers working in the organization. One safety officer should be provided by the management according to the Factories Act 1948. So according to that, safety is also one of the important sub-department to look after by the personnel department. Come to the wage and salary administration is also one of the sub-department, so that everybody is working for the salary, so that we have to provide adequate salaries to the employees, so that wage is also one of the motivating factor who are working in the organization. In the personnel department, there are three main R's are there: recruitment people, retain the people, retirement of people. So if you want to retain the people forever and ever, so wage and salary administration should be better motivated to the employees, so that it is also plays an important role in the personnel department. But whereas security department is also one of the sub functions looked after by the personnel department. So security in the sense to secure their property of the organization. It is also acting as an intelligence department. So the people study their attitude, and then the employees safety point of view, at the same time security of the property, and all the activities, and also when it is look after by the how much when quantity is going to into enter into the organization, like raw materials data, and how much quantity that are disposed from the organization, like goods and services and all, that the entire data is also looked after by the security department. Next, come to the last point, public relations. Public relations is also one of the key role which is looked after by the personnel department, because personnel department, if you want to look after the entire organization, so that if you want expansion of our unit, diversification of our unit, they definitely get an permission from the government as well as the bureaucrats, so that you have to also maintain good relation with the local people also, because the organization is existing in the society, so that without cooperation of the society we can't survival in the society. So that public really we have to maintain good relation with the local people as well as the politicians as well as the government officials, so that that is the reason we have to maintain public relations. So these are all the sub functions are comes under personal department. Thank you. Thank you, Vanda. Is my first video in this channel. The following topics will be explained in detail in my upcoming videos. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.